Well, the Obama administration fighting back against 26 states in their efforts to end the president's executive order on immigration. They've now filed a stay in an attempt to get a judge's injunction on the order lifted, and the White House says the law is on their side.
The specific measures that the judge has prevented the administration from implementing are actually the same measures that would bring greater accountability to our broken immigration system. There is not just a strong legal basis for the action that we're pursuing, there's actually a strong basis for those who are interested in doing the right thing for our economy and for public safety.
So could this latest legal maneuver put the president's plan for amnesty back on track? We're going to ask Fox News senior judicial analyst Judge Andrew Napolitano just that. So where does it stand? Does it put the president's executive order on amnesty back where it initially was prior to this ruling?
No, but that's what the president would like it to do. Look, the president and the administration has every right to file this appeal. In fact, their supporters would think they were crazy if they didn't do so. But the problem is they've made some weird and bizarre arguments to the judge in an effort to get him to lift his stay. Remember, here's how this started. The president tries to get Congress to change the immigration law. Congress, for whatever reasons, declines. So he signs 2 executive orders changing it on his own. And that affects the states because it makes people who are here illegal, gives them the right to stay.
Essentially placing the burden on the state.
To provide social services, hospitals, schools, welfare, things like that. So the states file a lawsuit saying, we don't have this money. And the president changed the law on its own. We want you to stop the president immediately. And a federal judge does that. Yes, I think you probably will win. The president is probably wrong. The president probably changed the law, and I'm going to enjoin the president. So that's what happened last Monday. Yesterday, the president's people filed an appeal and an effort to get this judge to change his mind, and if he doesn't change his mind, to appeal his decision. In the papers that they filed yesterday, they basically said, the government will be irreparably harmed if you don't lift this injunction because we need to provide a service to the illegal aliens that we promised we would help. So think about this.
How complicated
the government wants to break the law so it can help other lawbreakers stay here. I have never heard the government make an argument like that. I've heard some creative arguments in a courtroom in my life. I've never heard a government make an argument like that.
Well, when you put it like that and you break it down like that, it's almost unbelievable that they can make that argument. So will it actually work?
I don't know, but I don't think so.
Why?
It's a shaky argument to begin with. It defies what the government is trying to do. You just ran an interesting clip from Josh Earnest. What he forgot to tell you is the president's proposals were rejected by the Congress. Only the Congress, under the Constitution, can write the laws. The president can't make the law. The president can't change the law, no matter how strong is his belief that he has the right to do this. And that's basically what this federal judge told the president last Monday.
How much pressure is this federal judge going to be under, really, under this administration's
well, none.
new push?
You know, he's appointed for life. He's doing what he believes is right. Look, if the appeals court does not interfere with what the federal judge has done, Obama amnesty, over.
Wow. And do the math for me. When you have work permits and driver's license, you then are
guess what comes next? Right to vote.
Okay. Thanks for breaking it down for us, Judge
You're
Andrew
welcome.
Napolitano. Brilliant, as always.
Oh, you're so
Love
sweet.
having you here.
You're so sweet, Elizabeth.
Well, I mean it. Well.